Does your son love STEM, which means like scientific games and toys? This puzzle is amazing and I got it for Alexander. Alexander!
Coming.
Come, baby, and look what I got you. This also works on solar, this ship. So do you want to install it together?
Yes.
Yay!
Whoa, what is this? Wow.
Those are the parts here. Those are the stickers. Those are like the electricity and the solar. And this is the manual. We're gonna do like the astronaut. So we're starting like step 1, 2, 3. So you go by step. You need to first make the upper gearbox, lower gearbox, and like to assemble them in a gearbox so that when we are installing this guy, the astronaut, it's gonna ask us for the gearbox here. So you need to do both upper, lower gearboxes and put them together. We're installing this gear here. Somehow. This is the rear view and this is the front view.
We're finished building with this. There's also 3 ways to charge this: battery, rechargeable battery, and the solar panel. We're gonna start off with these 2. This guy needs charge, so we'll put that there. Put him. Oopsie. And we have this battery. We stick it here.